Harbour Academy, Charles Crawshaw here, saying thank you so much for a fantastic Saturday. I really enjoyed it. And, I'm Australian, half Chinese, half English. My mom's Chinese, my dad's English. And learning about Nigeria through my wife is one thing, but then to get a whole bunch of tribes and the culture of the tribes and voting for the best representation of the tribe in Nigeria, it was fantastic. I really enjoyed it. And thanks for all the efforts you put into the dances and the moves and the shakes and fantastic MC. And I really want to say thank you. And I met the owner. I didn't get her name, so it would be lovely to find out her name. But one of the things I remember my wife said to me, Blessing said to me, she said, when she first brought Amina Schumann to your school, was that, always looking for opportunities for helping the school flourish, make more money. And so I promised your owner, I don't know her name yet, that I'll certainly bring forth an opportunity, a new income stream for the school, for not only the school, but also for your teachers and also for even the parents and all the children as well. It's all about e-learning. I'm really interested in e-learning. Nowadays, you can learn so much on big screen or on your phone. So anyway, more to come. But I'd like to know the owner's name. Fantastic. And then Jonathan Michael. He's a teacher at the next door school, ABUJA Capital International College. And he's enthusiastic. And it was all about big screen learning. And so, so I'll keep you in touch with that. So thank you so much. Oh, and then behind me, free introductions to the Landmark Forum. I did the Landmark Forum, a personal development course in 1993 when I was 30 years old. It changed my life. And it's available for teachers. So it's available for everyone. It's ontology, the study of being. And it's all about our childhood. Who did you become in your childhood? And, so when I was 1.5 years old, my brother was born. I was put in my cot for the first time. I hit my brother for the first time. My Chinese mother hit me for the first time. And in that moment, I became unlovable, but I also became independent. Mom said she could leave me alone for 10 hours. I didn't need people, kids, anything. So I was independent at 1.5 years old. The second moment happened between the age of 8 and 13. Something's wrong around here. And mine was easy. I flew from Hong Kong to London to go to boarding school. And the woman was supposed to meet me by at the train station. Was late by half an hour. And there was no mobile phones in those days. Woo! Again, Mommy and Daddy don't love me. That's why they sent me to boarding school. Who did I become? I became popular. I became the class clown. Can you see that? So I was a class clown for years. And then the last moment happened between the age of 18 and 22. Something's wrong around here, and you're on your own. Mine was easy. 5 of us boarding school boys from England went to Europe for a holiday. Went to Amsterdam, and we said, we don't need to sleep in the backpackers. We'll sleep in the Vondelpark. We did not know in 1981 that the Vondelpark was ranked number 3 after the New York Park for stabbings and muggings. I got stabbed. So what happened? I got stabbed. What do you make it mean? Life's dangerous. Who did you become? I became brave, fearless, reckless, wild. And so anyway, then I looked at my childhood and I'm like, oh, my poor mom and dad thought that I never let their love in. So I phoned mom and said, Mom, Dad, I'm doing this personal development course and I found out that I thought you didn't love me. That's why you sent me to boarding school. And my dad goes, oh, son, I don't like this love. He's English. I don't like this love. Here's your mother, my Chinese mom. You say that, you damn stupid boy. We love you so much. You never listen. We thought you thought we love your brother more. No, we love you the same. I burst into tears because 30 years of my life, I never let my mom and dad's love in as much because they always loved my brother. But then I took a stand for world peace. Why? Because my mom and dad were both in World War II. My dad was English and the Germans were bombing his town, so he left to stay with his auntie for years, thought he'd never see his parents again. Luckily, they survived. My mom, Chinese, the Japanese soldiers invaded her village. And then on the last days of World War II, the Japanese soldiers knew they were losing. So they marched 10 of the leaders of the village up to the top of the hill and shot them all. And one of them was my mom's dad. And Mom was 8 years old. So I said, Mom, Dad, I'm going to see if I can stop the world fighting for a day, world peace. So I started the Ceasefire Project on the 15th September 1995. I'm a fire breather. I was the man responsible for causing the fire breathers in the opening ceremony of the Sydney Olympic Games in the name of world peace. Anyway, that's another story Blessing can tell you. But yeah, Landmark Worldwide is the introduction There's an introduction to Europe time on Tuesday, so you're all welcome to attend. And look, I highly recommend when you attend, have a backdrop of Harbour Academy, so all teachers turn up at the same time with the same backdrop. And then obviously, from your point of view, you can listen for breakthroughs in whatever's possible for your school and see what's there. But also, yeah, the course is all about breakthroughs in your life. Where are you stuck in life? So yeah. All right. Thanks so much, Cindy, for watching, and thank you so much for a great Saturday. More. Bye-bye.